spectacular.
So that's, and I asked Brian Stratton.
Spectacular 1976 Hartman Bluestreak. I believe this is Pat Hammond's kart.
And the other two were Ignite. So I drove Zach's first, and then I drove Brian's, and then I drove Trista's 206. Oh, did you? I did.
It's got a Yamaha sitting on it. Yeah, this thing's really, really nice.
Yeah. But that's what Trista said, is that, or Zach said Trista didn't like the hard tires, so he said something wrong.
Again, here we're at VKA Quincy TNT Kartways.